In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Ctrl+Z not working in Microsoft Word. If your undo shortcut suddenly stopped responding, don't worry. This quick walkthrough will help you confirm what's going on and try a simple fix to get you back on track. First, let's check whether undo itself still works inside Word. The idea here is to separate a shortcut issue from a bigger problem. Open any Word document and make a small change. Type a few letters or add a space so there's something to undo. Now look at the Quick Access toolbar at the very top left of Word. You should see the Undo button, which looks like a curved arrow pointing to the left, the H icon. If the icon is active, click it. If the text you just typed disappears, Undo is working at the application level, which is great. That means the underlying feature is fine, and your issue is likely just with the Ctrl+Z keyboard shortcut. If the Undo button is grayed out, that usually means there's nothing to undo yet. So make sure you've actually made a change. If clicking the button works but pressing Ctrl+Z does nothing, you've essentially confirmed it's a shortcut mapping or temporary glitch, not a problem with Word's ability to undo. Now for a quick fix, restart Word. Close Word completely, don't just minimize it. If you have multiple documents open, close each one so the app fully exits. Give it a second to shut down in the background, then reopen Word and test again. Type a quick line of text and try both the Undo button and the Ctrl+Z shortcut. A fresh start often clears up minor hiccups with keyboard shortcuts or background processes that can interfere with them. As you test, keep it simple. Use a blank document and a single change so you can clearly see whether the command works. If Ctrl+Z responds after the restart, you're good to go. If the Undo button continues to work but the shortcut still doesn't, that confirms it's a shortcut-specific issue rather than a global problem with Word. In that case, you've at least narrowed it down and you can look into keyboard settings, custom shortcut assignments, or other factors that may be remapping keys on your system. That's it for this quick guide. By checking the Undo button first and then restarting Word, you can quickly diagnose whether the problem is with the shortcut or with Word itself, and in many cases, get it working again right away.